Hey dolls, so I am back and I'm going to show you dolls how I installed this wig today and how I define the curls, lay the wig, and all of that jazz. So if y'all want to see this wig installed, then keep on watching. So this hair that I am wearing is from Yolissa Hair. This is the box. And I showed y'all all the contents that come in the box. I will do a clip of all the items here. Okay, dolls, so this is the box that the wig came in. And then on the inside, here's the wig in this bag. I did already take it out and look at it. Of course, it was packaged better. This is some lashes, a wig band, and also a satin band that you can tie your wig down with, some wig caps, another band that you can sew into the wig, and then also an edge brush. And then lastly, the satin bag that you can store your wig in, so you can throw the box out and just keep your wig inside of this bag. Super nice, and it has all their deets on the back. So then here's a look at the wig and how it looks coming fresh out of the packaging. So I will show you how we're going to fix this. Stay tuned. Those are all the items that came in the box. So also when I first put the wig on, I did try out this lace grid tape. Like, it's supposed to help get rid of the grids, but I was finding that it was just showing up a little too stark because of the color of it. This is the natural color. I'll link it down below if y'all are interested in trying something like this. I feel like it works well, but the color was just a little too bright, so I ended up taking that off and I just used my concealer method. But yeah, and I'm sorry if I sound a little stuffy or stopped up or whatever. This is the wig. It turned out so cute. And really, to lay this wig, like, y'all gonna see in the video what I did, because I didn't want to glue it down, because I am just going to take it off after I finish this video. But I still wanted the lace to lay flat, and I didn't want it to like curl up. You know how the lace curls up? But I didn't want to spray hairspray because I'm not trying to like wash my hairline off and all of that, you know. So y'all will see in the video what I use, but it actually is working really good. Like, it is like flat. So this is like a good little quick method to lay it down. So y'all will see in the video how I did that. But these curls are so pretty. I'm going to show y'all the back of it and a close-up. Like, look at that. These look like real natural curls, and look at the hairline. I feel like it looks so good. And I already had my baby hairs out, so I just parted down some baby hairs and swooped those into mine. So yeah, I feel like it looks really good. And if I spray some hairspray, baby, she'll really be melted in. I kind of have a tan right now, so my little products that I use may be a little light right now. I don't kind of have a tan. I do have a tan. So yeah, stay tuned for the video. I'm rambling because I miss y'all. And yeah. Here's a look at the inside of the wig. And I was just showing you initially I was going to use this tape that you can put on the inside of the wig to help with your grids. But I did eventually end up taking it out, so you can kind of disregard it. But you can see here how it looks with it on the inside if you do want to use something like this. So I'm just putting the wig on and trying it out before I go in and cut the lace off or anything, and just trying to get a feel for the wig to see what I want to do with it. And I'm sorry, y'all, the voiceover is not voiceovering because I am a little bit under the weather. But you can see here I am going in and parting the wig. It was already parted when it came in, and I did also pluck it a bit, but I'm just going to clean the part up. And then you're going to see me go in and really define these curls. I left a lot of the clips in just so you can see how it really looks. I use this product here, Marc Anthony Strictly Curls. So you can see here the hair is completely dry, and I just put a little bit of this on just to kind of see what it was going to give. And once I started putting it onto the hair and kind of combing it in or brushing it into the hair, I could tell that the curls were going to be really juicy and give what it needed to give, okay? But I did need to use some water. So I am just spraying the wig down with some water, and you will see the curls really start to define and really pop, and they just going to look super, super juicy and not all like dry, frizzy, or just like stuck in place, you know, like no movement or whatever. Like, this hair really defined really well, and it just looks like natural curls. So you can see whenever I'm going through and brushing the hair out, the curls just kind of like spring up and pop into place, just like how natural curly hair pops. So you could just watch me do this. I'm just going to continue to spray the wig down and define the curls, and also I'll go back in and add some more of that same product. I didn't use anything additional on this hair, but you can see the more I wet it, the more the curls just give everything. Like, I love it. So just keep watching. Okay, so now I am finishing up wetting the hair down, and you can see how juicy the curls look. Like, they look really, really good. So now I'm going to move into doing some baby hairs. You can definitely skip this step if you prefer not to have any. But the curls just look so pretty. Like, I can't say that enough. And they really look like natural curls. So I already had some baby hairs down, so I didn't slick them back. I just left them where they were, and I kind of parted out a little section of baby hairs, and then I'm going to go in and just trim those down and swoop them into place. Usually whenever I'm doing a lace wig, I like to use like gel or hairspray or something of the sort to lay my baby hairs, or sometimes I'll go in and curl them first. But with a curly wig, I feel like gel or anything like that works really good because it just slicks into the hair and gives a natural kind of look. So what I decided to do today was I did use some edge control, and I'm just checking to make sure I'm not cutting my own baby hairs off. So I'm just using some edge control to lay the baby hairs into place. And I find that this edge control works really good. Like, most edge controls are pretty greasy, and it will kind of make your lace roll up. But with this edge control, you will see I'm gonna pat it onto the lace, and it's also going to lay the lace down into place where it's not curling up at all, and it kind of just holds it down into place for a temporary hold and just slicking down the baby hairs and also the lace. So you can see how that looks. It kind of gives the same look as like if I were to use a gel, and I didn't have a problem with it like popping back up or anything, or the lace curling up, or it just not working, because whenever I have tried it before, it doesn't always work. And then I also use it to kind of push the hair back off of the hairline, and you can see here I am going to tap it onto the lace. Now this is not going to give you like a hold like a hairspray or something would before a temporary hold, like if you just want to put your wig on and hold it in place, like if you want to just take some pictures or something really quick. This works really good where you can do it and then take the wig back off and not have so much product built up on your hairline or having to clean off hairspray or like a lace glue or anything like that. So you can see how it's starting to look, and the lace is a little bit lighter because I did use makeup to conceal it. So I do go in and correct that with some bronzer and also some lace makeup. So yeah, I'm just doing the other side. I'm going to do the baby hairs on the other side, and then I also go in and use some product to help conceal the lace to make it match better with my skin tone. And like I said, since I have a tan, it's probably more so why the color that I use is looking even lighter. And I also do have a cap on underneath the wig as well. So yeah, I'm just using that edge control once again to just lay down the hairline. And these curls are so pretty. Like, I really love the curl pattern of this wig because they are really tight curls, and they were really like more so dry and frizzy looking at first, but they really defined really well with just water and a little bit of product. So yeah, and it just looks so juicy. So I'm just going back in, combing this little section down. And now I'm going to go in and add the makeup just to conceal the lace area right there on the forehead area, just so that it can blend in a little bit better with my skin tone. You can use whatever you have. This is specifically for lace, but I did go in and use a little bit of bronzer just to bronze it up a little bit, and I also use some concealer in the part to just define it a little bit more. In any areas that I feel like are not as sharp or clean, I do go in with a dark eyeshadow and just follow the parting area right on the sides to just make the line look more straight and crisp, if you will. So yeah, really easy peasy. And this wig is really pretty. I can't say it enough. I really love how these curls look, and they just look so juicy. Like, that's all it's given to me, juicy curls. So yeah, I'm just defining the part area, and then I'm going to show you how the wig looks in the back and everything like that. This is a really cute curly summer bob moment, especially for this heat that we are experiencing. So yeah, I think it turned out super cute. Stay tuned for the rest of the video so you can see the back of the hair and everything like that. And also, I forgot to film an outro. I actually filmed my intro twice. So yeah, this is the back of the wig. You can see how it falls on me. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you dolls enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you dolls so much. Bye.